Here's that Cessna at above 24191. Revving. Now he's coming back out over my head. And there goes that jumbo with the exhaust tail towards Geronimo Cordillera intersection. Now here comes the civilian in the Cessna, just happening to cross perfectly over my head, just like the helicopter's perfectly over my head. How's that possible? Now he's in the cloud above me. Look. Getting louder just on my head. Look, he's already turning it down. He's only 20 feet past me. Isn't that stupid? They're not even good at doing fake Doppler effects. And why wouldn't you do it on gradients? Why wouldn't you have maybe create a real Doppler effect or like close to it instead of just making something so absurd that it's noticeable? It's ridiculous. Whole scene is shifting out over 24191.